Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to resolve the git commit message pop-ups. What is this one? When you are trying to pull the changes from your main branch, that time you will be get this kind of pop-ups in your git bash, or if you are trying through command prompt. So in this screen, you are not allowed to entering any key, or you cannot able to escape from this screen. So how we can resolve this one? The first one, press I. Once you have to press the I, you will be get insert command, which means you have to see right the insert one. So here you have to, it is asking you, please enter any commit message. Here you have to enter the some commit message which is pull latest changes. This is what I have to enter here. And then press escape key. So once you have to press the escape key, the insert one has removed. It will be going to the next level. Next you have to type as :WQ, or you can put ZZ. So what is this meaning? It's going to be save the file. After entering your commit message, you are going to be escape from further level of giving your input. Next you are going to be save the file. So RS, you have to give -m, then you have to give the some message. So once you have to complete this all those things, you can try to give some pull command, which is git pull origin master or develop branch, whatever branch you are maintaining or considering as a main branch. You will be get the latest changes from your the main branch. So like this way you can able to resolve this problem. So further level I am going to be recheck again. It will be getting already up to date. Okay guys, so this is the way how to resolve from this pop-ups. Okay, thank you.